most of the problems we are having are caused by some of Ndieze that every day they call them, you will see them there. I don't know who is with me and who is against me. And the same day in the evening, I spoke with my vice. And I explained everything to him. That initially, I prepare not to go to all this meeting again because I'm sick and tired of it. But when they told me this new agenda, it was okay for me. He promised me even that Baba Sholu would be in this meeting. That so Chifu Ezo Jupu was so happy that we want to put this anomalies to order with Ezo Joke. I say I'm okay with it. And I shared the same thing with my vice, which is the worthy brother in the church. And it's okay, it's all right for him. Because what matters is not where an issue is discussed. What matters is the agenda, the usefulness. Oh no, are you hearing me? I don't want to listen who said it or where they said it. My own is where is this thing taking us to? And I took permission from him that I'm going to put emergency general meeting to call everybody to meeting today because they have even fixed the meeting and they told me there will be a meeting this morning in stadium. And I did it exactly like that. And even when I called him, I called my secretary. He said yes, he was in that meeting. I have to appreciate them because it's not easy. Person to leave his house and go to Amuwadofi and spend a whole day discussing the outcome of the meet of an issue. And most importantly, what they discuss is for my own good and for your own good. The only thing that I felt okay, if Nana and Ndieze wake up to fight this thing, good and fine. Because they started from me. Up to today, Sunday is holding my personal money. My wine, which I even want Sunday for that. For you can't eat my money in Lagos. You pay for it. I've been allowed Igbo. And I still stand on that, and I'm not changing my word. Anyway, the issue is this, my brother. Don't worry wherever they discuss this issue. The important thing is that the outcome of the discussion, I know where is, he felt that this matter, we could have been patient for the council to approve it officially. But as a progressive, which is number one, to me it doesn't matter. What matters is that the outcome of the discussion. And through I can see Baba Sholu here. And I can see other people. And I feel it's okay. Even I call Ndieze Abasi, I call Ndieze Onibombo, if I put the writing. Because I don't put message of any meeting without passing through this, my escorts. Even as Ezo, I told him, it's okay, we should go ahead. So please, wherever you touched about your position or your anything, don't worry. The important thing is that, oh, for allergic, I am actually. You want to go? So, that's where I have been now. And how much is going to wear this message or corner here? I didn't lie. If you know more, I can't sit there. But Tuta was not there when the decision were taken. I know the secretary attended the meeting and on a job here immediately. Ndieze my own idea forward or yeah compile the message together. Otherwise, I'm more questioning here. I was quite bent wrong because my able chairman. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si nọ anụ gbata aja ọsọ agbanya aja egbe. Why anyị ji enwe chairman at times when you come to a sensitive thing ga-emebi ife ati ga-echebe like that announcement you did oge ejidele eze ajawo. Yes. If to say that thing is delayed, some of us are me and you should have been in trouble. So at times, only see any main no matter the area it comes from, as far as it's protecting the interests of the organization, we thank him. And so because our
VP, I apologize to you personally, but always remember there is a time, a dangerous time, that delay is always dangerous. You may wait. This thing will destroy this organization. Do you understand? But next time, when this issue comes on board, call him and ask him his opinion.
Which I did now.
Because I could remember Oga